All right, friends. This is what happens when you don't do proper preventative maintenance on your vehicle. So this whole drive shaft is now scrap. Well, this part is still good. And if we come down here, we will find the whole yoke is broken. Hey friends, it's a nice day. 61 degrees, maybe, I don't know. That's what Google's telling me. Working on the truck in the middle of two different videos right now. Put the fridge in the camper. I don't know which one's going up first. We'll see how I edit them, but we gotta do the drive shaft. I will input somewhere the original Mayhem video, but we got the pinion nut off, which is a huge pain in the butt. Should have videotaped that. I put it on jack stands to lift it up, so the pry bar could be up and down, and then I could get, because the socket I'm using is bigger than the nut by just a hair, so it moves a bit. That way I could get it on as far back as I could, get it up just a little bit, and then we use the jack, the weight of the truck, and the brakes. Brakes so it doesn't spin the tires, weight of the truck because it's friggin' heavy, and the jack because it's hydraulic. It can do a lot more power than I can, and it busted loose. So we are now on the pinion nut removal, or not pinion nut, the actual pinion yoke. I think I'm pointing to it right here. I'm going to tie a strap around it, and tie it to this pine tree over here, and go in reverse. YOLO this shit, because that's the way I do it. And I'm gonna record this. You're on the little flexi tripod, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna get moved, get things set up, and then I'll get you set up. All right. All right, to show you how this is going down, we got the big yellow strap around that tree, attached to a D-ring shackle thing, attached to the little strap, goes under the truck, which is wrapped around with another D-ring shackle. So I guess I'm gonna set you up right here, and we are gonna hope for the best. Let's see. And we'll go like this. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Hey friends, it's a few days later. We're talking about the drive shaft and axle bits. To show you what happened, don't mind the cutoff ends, that's because of that. But you can see here, and on this side, those broke. Well, in the caps go on like this. Well, properly they go on. Let's see here. Put you down. So they're supposed to be on there like that. And then they go into this piece, which is on the rear axle. And yeah, all is good. But you can see here where the things are rubbing. And this one's especially bad. And yeah, so that's why my all my stuff blew up. But we do have temporary stuff on. You can see there, it doesn't have the big balancer. Right, where's my finger? Right there. And then that's my old drive shaft with all the dents. But I don't have, what is it? Oh, no driveline vibrations. None of it vibrating at highway speed. But that will pretzel itself, twist up, if I hammer down too hard. So I gotta be nice. And a new shaft and a new, this is called a yoke. New one of these. New one of those is about $250. I can get an upgraded one for about the same price. That comes with a bigger U-joint. And a brand new drive shaft is about $500, $600. If I spend $200 more, I can get the upgraded one, which is an inch larger in diameter and thicker wall material. I should not really have any more problems. So yeah, that's that. We're back together. I had some issues. My eyes look funny. My face messed up and bleeding. It's because you'll see somewhere when I was refilling the transfer case with transmission fluid. Oh, my funnel's put away. It's a funnel with a hose. It fell down right on my head and put about half a quart of transmission fluid on me. Washed it off right away, but you know, still got my eyes, wiped it off as much as I could. Ugh, gross. Oh, and how we got it off, you'll see the video footage where I'm using the straps. I had to get a chain, and then boom, popped right off. Super nice. Let's see. Yeah, that's it for this video, I guess. Until I get the upgraded parts, we're just running this old stuff. Didn't lose as much fluid as I thought out of anything, which is good. And yeah, the truck is running really good. Oh, I did find I was low on power steering fluid. That's a new issue. But that's topped off. It's not pissing out anywhere. So yeah. Anyways, peace out. Remember, drink responsibly, party responsibly, and yeah, have fun. Bye.